Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got another set of cornhole boards in the works. This one's a John Deere theme. I've been pretty busy here in the shop with customer orders, and I have all of you to thank for that. I really appreciate all your support. This is just a quick thank you for everything that everyone is doing, passing the word, telling everyone what I'm doing here. I really appreciate it. So we're coming up on Father's Day weekend. I just wanted to remind you we're going to be drawing for the beer flights. I am giving 2 away, and I am going to do it on Father's Day. So we'll announce the winners, and we'll do them one right after the other. And all you need to do is message me with your address, and we'll get them shipped out to you. So at any rate, aside from all that, I hope you have a great Father's Day weekend, and be safe everyone. Thank you.